Welcome back, everyone. Today we will be tackling my closet, and it's time to do some closet revamping. And I have some new products that I will be showcasing as we go through the video. I am using my shelf dividers that I got from Amazon. I'm going to leave it in the link below, but it's easy. All you do is you just push it in, just like so. Makes it so much easier to organize your closet. So I have all of my sandals here. This is for summer. I'm still gonna store it up on the top. That way I have easy access to it. I purchased this acrylic mDesign bin from Amazon, which I'm going to be placing it right on the top there. I bought it clear so it's easy to see when I store things inside and when I pull things out. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. I'm going to put this drawer divider right here and I'm going to section it off. I'm going to take these jeans and place it in my closet. Divided into pajamas and shirts, just like the closet colors. And these drawer dividers are adjustable. All you have to do is just open this little bracket up and you adjust it and then you close it back down. And there you have your drawer organized with the drawer dividers. I'm gonna leave it in the link in the description below so you can purchase your own. But not only that, I also have this easy organization hack that you can get just for signing up for my newsletter. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below as well. This one right here has the leggings on the two of the bins there. The other side, it still has the sandals and the perfumes with the belts that I put up there. And I have one of my backpacks here and my Coach purse with my hats for summer there. It's easy to get to. And I've placed all of my jeans here on this side, which now I can take it out and it's easier instead of putting it in my drawer and then trying to find it because I can't see it. I like to color coordinate my closet using the colors Roy G. Biv for red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. And I like using these slim hangers that are velvet because it's easier to place your clothes inside your closet, but as well, it won't slip off and it won't fall on the floor, and it'll be the same way that you put it in, the same way that you take it out. The hangers come in multiple colors, and I'm gonna leave the link below where you can get your slim hangers, which is so cost effective because you're able to put more items inside because they're more compact. Now I'm gonna be fixing the bottom part of my closet with all of my shoes. As you can see, I took out all of the shoes and I'm gonna start cleaning it and mopping it before I put in the metal shoe rack. I also have this 24 pocket shoe holder that I'm going to link in the link below that you can also get it, because besides having it here and having the metal shoe rack on the floor, at least I have a little bit of organizational spaces to put all of my heels here and my flat shoes on the bottom. It's just easier. It flows and I can put it in color order as well. So I have all of my creams and whites and silver and colors all the way until black. It's aesthetically pleasing when you open up your closet and you see everything organized. hope you loved this video. Click that bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Anita Inspires. Don't forget to follow me on social media at Anita Inspires on Instagram and on Facebook. I'll catch you in the next video.